The visual identity for a business can be designed within 9 steps, and let's go through this process for a business called Default. So Default is a clothing brand which provides outfits that blend African and Western cultures, and they have brand values such as quality, decency, innovation and originality. And their targeted customers, you have Gen Zs, basically people who are in their 20s or below. So after getting to know this brand, the first thing to do will be now to mind map the keywords. We will now write down some of these keywords of physical things which can actually touch and picture, such as diamonds. You can picture a diamond, recycle symbol, say screw, nuts, script, handwriting, gems, star and door. So we can picture everything which we have mind mapped as physical objects. So we will now combine one or two of them to bring forth our sketches for our logo. So this is step 3. Step 3 is bringing forth the sketches of the logo marks. So here we'll sketch between 15 to 20 rough ideas, and from these sketches we'll be able to come forth with logo marks which we can now refine and continue with. So we'll design a word mark logo which is made from combining the keywords of a diamond, nuts and a star. A diamond here is to represent the quality which the brand is trying to portray as one of its values. Nuts here will be used to represent innovation, because nuts and screws are used within technology to form and to create things. We use a star to represent the quality. So once we now combine these elements, we will now design our wordmark logo, which will move forward among the other sketches. So step 4 now is refining this idea. We will bring this our sketch into a computer and we will refine it by making it as clean as possible. So once we are done with that, the next thing to move forward with will be the typography. This is step 5. Step 5 now we'll have to identify the typography set which we'll be using within this brand, and based on its brand values of innovation and quality, we'll be using Nethead Regular. Now this is simple sans serif font, but the way the font is made, it looks like a futuristic or technological font. So this is to represent the innovation factor of the brand while keeping everything simple and unique. Step 6 now will be to organize our logo suite. We will now take our wordmark logo, our logo mark, and we'll combine it with the typography to form our logo suite. When we're done with that, we move forward to step 7. Step 7 now is to organize our color palette for this brand. We'll use a silver color palette, a silver tone color palette. This keeps the brand very simple, original and minimalistic, which goes perfectly with the vibe which was intended for the brand. Now for step 8, the patterns or illustrations. Here we will now combine our submark logo, our logo mark and some other elements to now form a pattern. Now this pattern, within it you can find stars, just like we mentioned as one of the keywords for the brand. And step 9, and voila, now we can combine everything of a visual identity, beginning from the logo suite to the typography, the color palette and the illustration or pattern for the brand. We can now use this visual identity on our website, on the social media, packaging, print and even stationery for Default's business. And with that, everything is finished. So if you've enjoyed this video and you would like to see similar visual identity breakdowns like this one, like this video and subscribe so that you can be able to see my videos pop up more on your page.